Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create your own music for free using a web browser in any computer and smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so if you're using any computer or any smartphones like the Android or iOS, that is the iPhone smartphone, still the tricks will remain the same. So here you can use any web browser. So here I'm gonna use a Microsoft Edge. So if you want to use a Chrome web browser or like the Mozilla Firefox web browser or like the Opera or any other web browser, still these tricks will work across any web browser. So just open your respective web browser and in the Google search, just search for the application name as Chrome Music Lab. On the first list you will see its official website. So this is from the Music Lab, that is from the Chrome Experiments official website. So just click on it. So here you will see a tons of options like the shared piano, song makers, rhythms, spectrometers, tons of options like sound waves, arpeggios, Kandinsky, voice pinchers, harmonics, piano roll, oscillators, strings, melody maker, and chords. So you can check out by yourself other. So here I will just discuss about the song maker. So just click on it. So you can see this kind of charts, right? So here you can just add any music and you can just start clicking on this play button to start it. So here I have already composed a song. So what I will do, I'll just paste the link and I'll just hit enter. So I have already created a music using this. So let me play it. So you can hear the music. So you can see here below the instruments. So you can just change it. You can change the music styles. You can see here. You can add a blocks, whatever you like. So you can see here, we can change everything depending upon your needs, so whichever you like. So once your all songs has been created, so you can see here on the right below, save, right? So you can save it also, so you can just click on save. Now it will give you a link. If you want to share it with your friends, then they can just use this link, or you can just send this link to your friends and they can directly play your composed music. And below you can see here, you can download it as a MIDI audio file or you can download it as a web file also. So it's very useful. You can save it offlinely also, the songs or the music that you have composed using these applications, right? And if you want to add your voice or vocals, even you can click on this mic. Then you can use your internal computer mic or your external microphones also. You can use it and you can add your own vocals also by composing this music. So in my opinion, it's a very cool music composing website that you can use across any devices, across any computers or smartphones, just by using our web browser. So in my opinion, it's a very cool websites to compose music and to compose music for free. So in my opinion, you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.